and it kind of cost me. Now he's finna get this off here, and we got to see what's going on here, you know. Okay, wow, look at that belt. So it's got to be okay. Okay. Okay, let's look at this. It ain't coming on. Okay, look at that. So we gotta try to figure out, okay, let's look. Okay, we got that off. Okay, that one's got play in it. Okay, so the idler pulleys are bad. You getting that? Okay. Okay, this one's bad because we got, okay, that's bad. And, okay, we got bad idler pulleys, but we won't